Okay guys, welcome back to part 2. So we're about to unbox this part. Stealth Elf. Okay, this Stealth Elf is going to be a little bit broken because they decided to put it in so hard. Let's open it. Let's open it, guys, and get that. Yeah, that's the shade. Don't mess with enemy though. Don't mess with it. Okay, put Stealth Elf over there because you guys already got a glimpse. Yeah. Same thing, portal. And yeah, I'm just gonna put myself on it and my rolling thing. We're gonna use it in some videos as a vehicle. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, we're just gonna put everything he needs over there. We don't need the crap. Okay. Well, lady, back to my inbox. Oh yeah, forgot to put my... That's not a fire alarm. It's just something that beeps. It's just our smoke alarm. If there's too much smoke. The mom's not smoking. It's just smoke from the hoverboard that I have. Why have you used your hoverboard? Yeah, it's inside. Oh yeah, it's insideable. You can use inside. Oh, okay. That's just good. Man, they never made these hard to open. They make these hard to open with the... If you got them, like, as a Christmas gift, man. Hey, I got the fork. Yep, got it. Okay, we got the game out. Mario Tennis Ultra Smash. And on the back, Mario Tennis Smash! Yes. Yes, Mario Tennis Ultra. I can't wait to whoop Mario's butt! Yay. Well, no. Thank you, Master Hand. Now, put this away. Safe. I'll put it safe. And who's gonna unbox the me. Okay, son, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, son. You're not my dad. I'm just your friend. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Very strange. What would you say? I don't know. I say me, pal. Yeah, we still got 2 more things left to unbox for you. Yeah, I forgot about that. 2 more amiibo. Well, 3 more amiibo and 1 game console. Wait, I got a fork. Hey, son. Hey, son. Be careful with that. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. I didn't cut myself, okay? Who the heck is that? There's the NES Remix pack. Mom got me it. Okay, just ignore that stuff. It's the NES Remix. We're gonna do videos of it, just for challenges for Mario and friends. Okay, Dad. I unbox it safely. Dad. Okay, if you're wondering, I still have my stuff on because I like it. I like it. It's tagged. It's tagged. But anyways, Master Hand put that safe somewhere. Okay. Yeah, me too. I like it. Now let's get to the unboxing where I'm gonna do this part. First, Splatoon. Wait, actually, Splatoon Squid's gonna do it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm here doing a video. Unboxing these amiibo. They make these hard to open, man. And we already got an Inkling Girl. Oh yeah! Back up off me, son! Okay, Splatoon Squid. Sorry about that, but yeah. We like music, so that's why. Okay, here's the Squid amiibo. Okay, that wasn't me. And he's my brother. Well, I don't talk that much. Brother, stop. Yeah, he's my brother. I met him somewhere. Yeah. Okay, brother. Go down there. Go somewhere and sit down. I'm sitting behind this Skylanders box. Now, you order Skylanders? That's what you guys must be sick. It's just Bowser and Donkey Kong because we like it. We don't have to show you the Inkling Girl, but we will. Yeah, we already have one. It's not dirty or anything. And here's the Inkling Boy. We don't really need him. He's just gonna challenge us with rollers in the videos. Okay, now I'm gonna go somewhere with my friend. No, boyfriend. Girlfriend. Okay, good. I have one. Okay, good, guys. I have one too. Yep, he's gonna give me rides sometimes. Yeah, maybe I might give you a ride on me, Supersonic, Super Shout, and you, two bananas, and then squid me back. Okay, now it's time for 3DS XL, which basically I will be doing. Okay, guys? Great. My cousin Devin, he's gonna have a Batman play as his reference, because he likes Captain Devin, but Captain Toad and Super Devin. We're gonna clean that fork. Okay, I'm about to open it now. Okay, here's everything that it comes with. I like the voice acting in Japan, but also in America. Here's the card you need for it, so you can play the other games. But I'll read the rest later, so I'm gonna just keep this beside me. Oh, there. I'm gonna throw it over there. Okay, now we're gonna get the 3DS XL. It's big now. Nope, I dropped it. Oh, good thing there was a silk glass in there too. Silk glass. Thank you, I didn't break it. Okay, guys, we'll try turning it on. The game. I'm gonna beat everybody in Smash, and we're gonna play a video. Maybe if we can be able to zoom. How you turn it on? Okay, I think you're supposed to turn it on in the front, but mine wasn't charged, guys. But yeah, I got a red one, not official, but red. Okay, guys, I got a 3DS. I got a regular 3DS, but this is 3DS XL. Okay, bye, guys. Andy signing out. Enemy Dom signing out. Bye.